That is some beautiful fillets right there. Chicken and mole here. Oh. Green hatch chilies and lots of rockfish. Some salsa. Oh, that was good. I will see you guys in the morning. Last night was the best idea ever. Oh, dear. Oh, pancakes are hard to beat. Technically, this is breakfast in bed. They're nice. It's tiny but good. Well, despite the weather, in the middle of the river, the current's moving faster than I can paddle. But maybe... Alright. Going in between these icebergs, some of these weigh more than buildings. And as the tide goes up and down, they're gonna shift and move around. This clear water...